Inflation remains with us, and that means the Fed will continue to raise rates. It also means the market is not so happy. Let's bring in Dan Deming at KKM Financial. You always have a smile for us, Dan. Tell us what you think about market reaction as everybody is so focused on the Fed.
Yeah, Angie, this is going to be an interesting week this week because we are hitting some key technical levels when you look at the 200-day moving average, both in the S&P and the NASDAQ. And we're losing the momentum that the market experienced earlier in the year. And certainly the inflation data continues to be stickier than what was anticipated based on the data we got last week. So this is a challenging time here for the markets, equity markets, as we're seeing bond yields pushing up to multi-month highs. But overall, I'd still say when you look at the longer term picture, really going back to the middle of last year, we're in the middle of the range. So at this point, even though we're giving up some momentum short term, longer term, we're still pretty much in the middle of the range.
What economic data are you watching this week? We do have a big number at the end of the week.
Yeah, we got several things that, again, could be potentially inflation related. We got ISM data coming out, but the big number, again, will be non-farm payrolls on Friday. The market will be looking forward to that based on some of the trends we're seeing in the job market, Angie, which continues to remain fairly strong throughout all of the shifting dynamics. And we have not seen any cooling to this point, even the weekly numbers. So that's going to be a big number considering the fact that we are seeing interest rates moving up to the highest level in 4 months.
What can you tell us about market sentiment? Are you feeling as though this market has a bad case of the jitters?
Yeah, Angie, I felt as we worked our way through the week last week that the market, the uncertainty and certainly some of the bear sentiment picked up. And now that we are holding just at or above the 200-day moving average, that's an area that if we see those areas breached this week, that could create further anxiety in the market. So it's a key level here. You are feeling some of the tension kind of building here that the market is giving up a little bit more ground than it was anticipated. Couple that with the shifting dynamic as far as interest rates now extending out further on the duration. And that's a recipe for some uncertainty.
Thank you, Dan. Have a good week.
All right. Thanks, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.